Welcome to this tutorial on how to change the link color in WordPress quickly and efficiently. Today you will learn a simple method to update the appearance of your website by customizing the color of your links. This process has been designed with ease of use in mind so that you can achieve professional results in just a few minutes. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the home page where you will find the login button. This is your entry point into the dashboard where you can manage your site's design and functionality. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several options for signing in. One of these options is to continue with Google. By selecting Continue with Google, you can quickly access your account using your Google credentials. Simply choose your account from the list if you have multiple accounts, and the system will confirm your access. This streamlined authentication process not only saves time but also enhances security. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see your WordPress dashboard filled with a variety of management tools. In the Quick Links section located on the right side of the page, look for an option that allows you to edit your site. This link is clearly labeled to guide you towards making changes to your website. Clicking on it will take you directly into the site editor, which is the interface where you can customize many aspects of your website's design. Within the site editor, take a moment to locate a text link that is part of the editing options available to you. This text link is the gateway to further customization and is designed to intuitively guide you in modifying your website's appearance. Once you have found it, click on this text link to move deeper into the customization features offered by WordPress. After clicking the text link, direct your focus to the right panel of the site editor where various design settings are displayed. Here you will find a section dedicated to color settings. First, locate the area labeled color and then move on to the option marked text. This section is specifically tailored for adjusting the color properties of your text elements, including the hyperlinks that appear throughout your website. By clicking on color and then text, you will gain access to a range of options that allow you to tailor the look of your links. Now, you should see a variety of color choices available to you. Carefully review the options and select the color that best suits the design and branding of your website. Choosing an appropriate link color not only enhances the overall visual appeal of your site, but also helps your visitors clearly identify clickable links, thereby improving user experience. It is important to choose a color that complements the rest of your design and is easy to read against your background. Once you have finalized your selection, the last step is to save your work. At the upper right corner of the screen, you will find the Save button. Clicking Save ensures that all of the changes you have made are properly recorded and implemented on your website. After saving, your selected link color will be applied immediately, refreshing the look and feel of your website. This concise process allows you to effortlessly modify the link color on your WordPress site, ensuring that your website not only looks visually appealing, but also maintains consistency with your overall branding. Following these detailed instructions will help you create a more engaging and user-friendly online presence. Enjoy the enhanced aesthetics of your site and the ease of navigation that comes with thoughtfully chosen link colors.